5 tips to be mentally strong. Number 1. Stop thinking about the past. Unless you're learning from your past, it's often a way to replay our failures and torture ourselves. Number 2. Never give up on yourself. Giving up impacts your emotional state in a negative way. You can't fear failure. You must think big. You must push yourself. You're stronger than you think. Number 3. Take care of yourself. Find ways to relax, do meditation, get a massage. This helps to reduce stress and prevent burnout. Number 4. Don't let others influence your emotions. Imagine how happy and free you will feel if you don't care what people think or say about you. Number 5. Learn to love and forgive. Forgiveness is the highest and most beautiful form of love. Forgiveness, you free yourself from a cell of bitterness. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.